Hello and welcome to CreArtive by Nature. My name is Donna. Today I am participating in the $5 Goodwill Challenge Spring Edition hosted by Hillary of Old World Home. So I found the perfect spring piece at our local thrift store. It's a charity shop. This was only $3 and I think it was an old candlestick. I'm going to transform it into a beautiful spring floral display. I'm going to start off by adding a piece of floral foam and a found bird's nest. We found this one on the ground. And I'm going to just cut out a notch in my piece of floral foam just so that the bird's nest can sit snugly right in that little spot. And I'll be using some hot glue to adhere everything. Here I am creating some bobby pin anchors. And I'll be using these to help attach the bird's nest to the foam. So here I'm using some hot glue, and then I will take those floral wire bobby pin anchor pins, and I just push them through the center of the bird's nest, and it really does a great job of holding it in place. Now I'm going to add some Spanish moss around the foam base just to cover it up. And I'll be using the floral pins to hold that in place as well. Once I have all my foam piece covered with the moss, I now go in and add some Dollar Tree flocked florals. They're a huge spring hit for me this year. I absolutely love them. So I worked some pieces in around the front, around the bird's nest, and I also had added some pieces to the back side. Here I'm just using a little bit of hot glue to attach some of the pieces. Now I'm just adding some dried twigs that I had on hand, and I like to add twigs whenever I can. I just love to bring nature indoors, and I feel that this just really ties the bird's nest in nicely in amongst my florals. Now I'm just adding some cute little hand-painted styrofoam eggs that I had into the center of the nest. I add 3. And that's my completed piece. I'd like to say thank you to Hillary and all my fellow participants, and I'd like to say thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.